Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making Jurek's Coco Rizo Cooler from his book Eat and Run on page 140. So this recipe calls for a cup of cooked brown or white rice, a fourth a cup of coconut milk, 4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons agave syrup. Then it looks like it's half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of coconut extract, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So the first step is incorporate all of those together except for the chia seeds. And it looks like you add those and shake. But in the description, it looks like you can actually add in 3 or 4 dates or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup for extra sweetness. So we're gonna do that as well. So the first step is we're gonna get out our blender. We're gonna add in, looks like, our 4 cups of water. And then we're gonna add in a cup of cooked brown rice. Let me give you a little quick tour of the rest of the ingredients. So we have agave, and then we have light coconut milk. We have some chia seeds, some sea salt, as well as coconut extract. And these are our pitted dates. Here we have half a cup of our coconut milk. We're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. Here we have half a teaspoon of sea salt. Here we have half a teaspoon of coconut extract. And then we're gonna add in 4 dates for extra sweetness. From what it said in the description, you can add 3 to 4 dates for a sweeter drink. And that's all the ingredients, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this up. Alright, so we have it nicely blended here, blended for a little while. Let's go ahead and see if we can open this up. That's what it currently looks like. And then we're gonna go ahead and add chia seeds and shake. So here we have 2 tablespoons of our chia seeds. And then he says to give it a shake. Let's see. I'm just gonna use this little and give it a stir, I guess. And then that's it. You just go ahead and pour it into a glass. And there we have it. This is Jurek's Coco Rizo Cooler from his book Eat and Run on page 140. And thanks for watching.